In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn a language this year using ChatGPT. If you aren't too familiar with ChatGPT, you can go watch some videos about it, but essentially for our purposes, just think of ChatGPT as a very, very, very intelligent chatbot. We're going to use ChatGPT for three primary purposes. 1, conversational practice. 2, as a vocabulary builder. And 3, as a graded reader. Let's start with conversational practice. Since ChatGPT is an AI, we can't ask it normal questions like, how are you? And expect to get a normal response. Instead, we need to ask questions where there's an information exchange. We can ask questions like, what is the capital of China? Or what is the largest bone in the human body? Which is not only going to allow us to practice our output, but ChatGPT's responses are likely going to have related language to the topic we're discussing, so it gives us a chance to learn more vocabulary. Now, utilizing it as a conversational partner assumes you already have a decent level of vocabulary in your target language. If you don't, you can start by using it as the second function, which is a vocabulary builder. Give me a list of 50 basic sentences in blank language. If you ask it this, it's going to spit you out a list with the translations in your native language. We can also ask ChatGPT how to say a full sentence in our target language. Look at this example where I asked how to say, how many trees are in your garden in Chinese? It'll give us the sentence in Chinese, the English translation, and also breaks down what each character means individually. I also tested how accurate the descriptions were for slang words as well. I asked it to define the Mandarin slang niubi, as well as the English slang lit, and received fairly satisfactory results for both. Number 3, using it as a graded reader. One of the best ways to improve your language skills and your vocabulary is to read. We can literally ask ChatGPT to create us a story about any topic, and it will. This is important because it ensures we'll be reading about a topic that we're interested in, which is crucial to keep our motivation high when learning. However, when we're reading, we need to be reading a text where we understand somewhere between 90 and 95% of the words for optimal learning. This is where the magic happens. If the story that ChatGPT wrote you is too difficult for you to understand, ask it to simplify by writing for a lower reading level. Likewise, if it's too easy, ask it to make it more difficult. You can do this multiple times very quickly until you get a text that's at the perfect level for you. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find a good way to incorporate audio and speaking into ChatGPT, but I'm sure someone's going to in the future, and it's going to further optimize learning. Okay, that's it. Now either watch this next video of mine or go learn a language.